So you finally found the right printer, signed for it, and are ready for the machine to be delivered. You might think the paperwork is all over. Well, not quite. To ensure smooth delivery and installation, to make sure you have all of the features pre-installed, you must fill out the customer requirements input form. What is CRIF and why is it important? After you purchase your machine, your sales representative will send you a link to the CRIF form. This form's primary purpose is to let the analyst know which features to install on your device and your office's network information. It's crucial that you provide accurate and complete information. Here are 5 helpful tips for effectively filling out your CRIF form. Tip number 1, know your desired features. Under the Equipment Setup Information section, indicate the features or equipment you want installed on your printer. This is critical for a quick delivery and installation process. Tip number 2, the biggest obstacle to smooth machine delivery is not filling out the CRIF form entirely or not having the information available on delivery day. If the analyst doesn't have enough information to work with, this can result in a multi-hour installation and even delayed delivery. Tip number 3, turn to your IT staff as a resource. If your company has an IT staff, they can be instrumental, if not necessary, in helping you fill out the CRIF form. Tip number 4, keep old equipment's information on hand. We advise you to keep your old equipment's configuration information readily available. Our analysts can use this information to fill out the TCP/IP properties and other basic network information. Tip number 5, don't be afraid to reach out for help. What if you don't have an IT staff and get stuck on a form section? Although it may seem tempting, please do not leave it blank and worry about it on delivery and installation day. If you get stuck, contact your sales representative that you've been working with about any questions that may arise as you fill out the form. They will either assist you or put you in touch with someone who can. The goal is to have a fast and effective delivery process so that the machine you purchase can be set up as quickly as possible.